No!
Oh shit.
No! Takes the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't need me to touch, right?
But then it also quickly melted. A live look outside right now where we do have some cloud cover. Even
It's one of those times. I think I've ever come across such mischievous.
She died,